Hi everybody, my name's Gavin and I'm the CEO of Flowpack Proprietary Limited, a company based here in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. I completed Kate's SEO Masterclass in October 2017. I was in the process of considering the ways that I should be looking to rebrand our online presence. We were running 5 sites, lots of confusion over what we needed to do, how we needed to do it. We were ranking really well, but my gut feeling was telling me that we weren't achieving what we could achieve. So I completed the course, and the course was unbelievably good. I learned a lot. It was very, very easy to follow, very, very easy to do. I don't consider myself a tech head at all, and a lot of coding and things, quite honestly, often scares me. But I completed the course and I was very, very comfortable with everything I was doing. Kate and I talked about the fact that I was about to spend a considerable amount of money redoing all our sites. So we had 5 sites. I wanted to bring them all back in and do one. And when I told Kate how much I was going to spend, it's fair to say that she was fairly animated in the fact that I should not be spending that money. And so what that meant was that I, through our chat, went and spoke to a few different people. I moved our website from being a Magento Silverstripe based system to WordPress with WooCommerce and Yoast, and in the process saved myself around $20,000. So in effect, that 1 hour chat paid for the course even before I started applying all the learnings that I'd gotten through the course itself. So I can't recommend this course high enough. It was easily the best sort of post-study online learnings that I'd completed since I've finished my postgrad degrees at university. And quite honestly, it's money that is very, very well spent, and I would encourage everybody to go out there and do this course as soon as you possibly can, because in all honesty, once it's done, you'll wonder what you were doing before, why you weren't already having done this course, and in my case, enjoying saving around $20,000. So get on it. Bye.